Everyone, Jai Gurudev, Jai Lalita Tripur Sundari. Today is our 38th day of chanting and understanding Sri Lalita Sahasranamam. So the 38th verse is as follows. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibhedini Manipuranta Rudita Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini. So now this particular verse, what it shows us is the spiritual awakening. See, Ma Tripura Sundari is the representation of divine feminine, and divine feminine is pure Shakti, which is energy or power. Now there is this energy or power located at the base of the human body in the Mooladhara chakra. It is like a coiled serpent which slowly rises. It is known as Kundalini energy. You must have heard of it at several places. You know, Kundalini energy. It is very powerful if not handled wisely or channelized in a disciplined way. It can lead to events that you don't want to hear of or you don't want to experience. So that is why when you are with Ma Tripura Sundari, you get Kundalini awakening so that you can handle the divine feminine that you're invoking from within, so that you can handle that divine masculine, so that you can handle that balancing, that divine nature of yours, not anybody else's but your own nature. Because there is a concept of Aham Brahmasmi, that I am the God kingdom of God is within you and everything, so that you can handle that divine energy. This energy has to rise. So what happens is, at the base of the 7 chakras, which is the Mooladhara chakra, she resides in the Mooladhara chakra. And then we have Brahma Granthi Vibhedini, which means there are 3 ties or 3 sorts of attachment, which is, first of them is Brahma Granthi, which means physical attachment. So she breaks the physical attachment and then that serpent, that coil rises above. Then we have Manipuranta Rudita Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini, Manipura chakra, which is located near the navel. There is Svasthidhana chakra, there's Mooladhara, then there's Agya. There are 7 chakras basically, but not all of them are mentioned, but these are the main 3 attachments that we're talking of. So Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini here signifies the emotional attachment that she breaks. Apart from the fact that she resides in the Mooladhara chakra, it will break that emotional attachment, the physical attachment. And when we will be reading the next verses, we will also discover what else she does to the other chakras as well. Because of course it will have to go through all of the chakras, so it will have an effect on them. We will coming to them slowly, but first we follow this trinity: the Mooladhara, the base one, the one above it Manipur, and then the Agya chakra, which is your third eye chakra. First these 3 are the primary focus, and then it will go through them eventually, but this is the trinity where she resides. That is it for the day. Radhe Radhe everyone. Jai Gurudev, Jai Ma Tripura Sundari.